Angela from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. Today we're going to do a homemade blue cheese dressing. Now the secret to the blue cheese dressing, first of all, get a decent, good, strong blue cheese. I like to use gorgonzola or a French Roquefort, and I suggest you taste it first and say, ooh, do I really like that? So I'm going to use a gorgonzola today. That's an Italian blue cheese. We're going to add to that some mayonnaise, a little bit of milk, sour cream, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of lemon juice, and then a little bit of my secret is a nice crisp white vinegar. So I'm also going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we're just going to put it in the blender. Get it going. That's pretty much it. Now, what you might want to do also is reserve some of your blue cheese crumbles and then put that in for like a chunkier. I'm going to taste this too. It's so good. Now, when you taste it, if it doesn't taste enough blue cheese, just put it back in the blender and add a little more cheese. So always buy extra because you're never certain. Every time you buy a blue cheese, a Roquefort, a gorgonzola, it's gonna taste a little bit differently. So here's what I like to do that I think is super fun. I like to make little mini wedge salads for parties. If it's the holidays, I'm gonna put a little bit of dressing. I'm gonna adorn it with some pomegranate and some bacon. If it's not for the holidays, you can add a little bit of tomato to give that little red color. But then you just serve it like that and you have perfect little mini wedge salads for parties. And that's pretty much all you need to know about blue cheese dressing. Thank you for coming to SpinachTiger.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Spinach Tiger. And don't forget to subscribe because we really do appreciate it.